Thanksgiving, a time for friendship, food, and all-around joy. But let's say, hypothetically, you're a fucking idiot and have friends coming over in 3 hours and you have nothing cooked. And that shit was not hypothetical, and I might be fucked. How are we going to make a Thanksgiving dinner in just 3 hours? Well, the same way that they did on the first Thanksgiving. America! They didn't have ovens and they didn't have deep fryers, but what they did have was a microwave. And today we will be returning to the ways of our ancestors and cooking a delicious Thanksgiving dinner with only a microwave. Now, luckily for you, to assist me today, I have kidnapped a homeless man off of the street. Say hi. Hi. Now, sir, do you think that we will be able to succeed today?
Yeah.
So the fucking line. Now, sir, do you think that we will be able to succeed today?
No.
Good. Good. Perfect. Now all we have to do is start cooking. Buddy. Mason. Nice digs. What is your favorite part of the Thanksgiving meal?
Some turkey, mac and cheese.
Yeah. Well, good news is we're gonna be cooking some things today. We're gonna have turkey. We're gonna have some mac and cheese, some mashed potatoes, and for dessert, some delicious pumpy pie. Pumpy pie. Now we're gonna start with an American classic, some mac and cheese. Are you ready?
Yeah, I love mac and cheese, yeah.
Great.
Okay. What now?
If binging with Babish has taught me anything, is that cooking is all about crack cocaine. So we're going to add a secret ingredient.
Oh.
That'll really give Grandma a kick. You know, you gotta mix up your noodles.
Wash your hands? You're never gonna
do you really think anything here is safe? Gotta get the starch mixed in.
You just got a notification on your phone from Hawaiian Cum.
Don't worry about that. Are you excited to eat this?
Yeah!
Yeah!
Woo!
Into the microwave.
Damn, boy, he thick!
3 minutes. This is a shit show. Now, while we wait for our mac and cheese to cook, are your balls hairy? Good. While we're waiting, I can give you guys a sneak peek of a video I'm working on. This is the Bugs Life fleshlight. Alan Pan wants me to make him one, so I am.
Real talk mode. Do microwaves give you cancer?
I don't know, I'm just a scientist.
The radiation.
The radiation can give you cancer, but it protects you because it's a box. Boxes protect against cancer.
Specifically boxes?
Yeah. It's done! Yay!
Not at all, actually.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
This needed more than 3 minutes. This is hard.
Put it a little.
Okay.
Iron ball. Testicles on the table.
It smells like cheese.
Do you not like cheese, Jordan?
You know what else smells like cheese?
Don't say that.
It's cheese.
Oh,
Cheese.
okay.
Cheese smells like cheese. You know what I like? Your social security number. It's done! Here, taste test. Grab a noodle. Mason, grab it. It's hot! Mason, grab a noodle!
It has like white outline.
Alright, you ready? 3, 2. I say that's done.
What?
So, a turkey would not fit in this microwave, so I got a premium Cornish game hen. It's like a tiny chicken, but it's also really juicy. Oh, dude, bro, that chicken got a dumpy though.
Whoa!
Dude, it's like my child.
What are you doing?
A good chef always marinates the turkey. Oh, I can feel its bones. This is going to be just garlicky. We have meat tenderizer.
Slap your turkey, we all know this.
Whoa!
Mmm.
Delicious.
Oh, shit.
How long will it take?
An hour.
An hour?
Dude. 60 minutes. Started.
Oh my god.
Now, while we wait for our perfect little creature to cook, we're going to make a holiday favorite, smashed potatoes. These are some bricked up potatoes. You eat your potatoes with or without the foreskin? With. Yeah, we're not peeling these, we're lazy. Put it in there, 6 minutes. You like pumpkin puree?
Never.
They actually take a pumpkin, put it in a can. Now, for dessert, we have a legendary staple of the holiday, pumpkin pie.
I can't smell it.
Texture. I don't know how much sugar goes in there.
Oh God.
That's probably too much.
I go.
Whoa.
Wait, what?
That's whipped cream?
Drink that.
No.
Don't be a coward, Mason. You made the correct choice.
Okay.
Oh, it's on me.
We have a nice little casserole dish for our pumpkin.
Oh man.
Dude, I don't think it should be this liquidy. Pumpkin pie.
She is getting it. Bro.
The tater. Hey.
I didn't even realize. Oh. That's not helpful.
Oh my god. I'm gonna take turns grabbing at it.
You guys should play hot potato.
We are!
Very hot. Yeah, we are. So very.
Gotta tear it out of its tomb.
That doesn't
Hey!
even look that bad.
It's a potato.
Gotta put some butter in there.
That's what the butter's for. See, that's fun. Oh, we can even add some
No.
heavy whipping
Put some garlic in
cream.
there.
Garlic and pepper seasoning. Meat tenderizer.
More.
Meat tenderizer.
Okay, you're.
Hey!
Whoa.
Mashed potatoes! Woo! Mashed potatoes!
And they're.
You want some skin? I bought 2 potatoes for nothing.
That's nice. No.
No, you got-
The pumpkin pie.
It's done!
It's done.
No, it's not. Put it in more. And I got bad news.
Okay.
Bad news first. I don't have a meat thermometer. Good news is, I don't think we're gonna eat the chicken. It's hard and greasy. Just like my cock. You have beautiful eyes.
No way.
I just said that.
Did you?
It's done! Can you take it home with you? I don't want it.
Yeah.
It's a gift. There's your payment for this video. Yeah, she is a good. It's done!
Yeah.
Is it? Whoa. It's bubbling.
Dude. I said, It smells. Oh my god.
Let's take it out and let's. Ah.
Got a nice crust. Well, I mean, it's not like. Oh my god, look at that thing shake. It's cooked.
It's cooked.
What
Wait,
the?
What?
Whoa! Well, viewers, we have our delicious potatoes, mac and cheese, turkey, and pumpkin pie. So turns out you can cook Thanksgiving dinner with only a microwave, just as our founding fathers intended.
Yes.
Now we get to taste all of it. We're gonna get
Alright.
chicken leg. And so it's hard. It's stiff. For dessert.
On to dessert.
It's kind of hard.
Ayo. Bro, same.
We're just missing some bread. We don't have any bread. Looks kind of good.
Very nice.
We don't have forks. We're gonna have to use our hands. Wait, hold on. Wait, I might have forks and glitter forks.
Okay, mashed potatoes.
Oh god. Oh, I get a little bit. That's too much, but okay. 3,
I got a little bit of the marinade.
2, 1. It tastes like shitty dry mashed potatoes.
It's not half bad though.
I'm not
It's
going
potatoes.
in. Yeah, I'm not going in for another one, but it does just taste like potatoes.
Alright, ready?
3, 2. Oh. Tastes like bad mac and cheese.
Just like grandma used to make.
Just like grandma used to make. Turkey time.
The crust is good.
That
way.
doesn't taste bad.
I mean, it's dry.
It's very dry.
Some meat.
I'm not gonna swallow it though, because I got.
I just swallowed it.
But
I'm going to die. My turkey's not good enough for him. You ready for dessert? 1, 2. Get it out!
What the fuck? Are you serious?
What did we learn today?
Nothing.
You can technically make a Thanksgiving dinner.
Yes.
Using only a microwave. Will it be good? Now, I'll send you viewers off with one thing. Eat it.
No.
Hey fuckers, I got a new mic because you people were complaining in my comment section. Sorry it didn't happen sooner, but I'm a poor high schooler. And these videos cost so much to make.